You'd be like fun, but no, you'd be like a comedy thing where you would do it, and then you get to a point where it's just like
All right.
smiley faces make sense.
Today, we are going to take a look at the two other ways to prove that two triangles are similar. Right, the first one is side, 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 and the other one is side, angle, side. These are a little bit different than our side, 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 and side, angle, side congruence postulates. Well, this is side, side, side similarity. The other one is side, side, side. So, for side, 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 what we're looking to see, what we're looking to prove is that the measures of corresponding side lengths are proportional. In other words, if I write all three corresponding pairs of as fractions, they would equal the same fraction. All right, that's essentially what that means. So let's take a look at example 1 here. We can see which sides match up. And so AB would match up with DE. So we can say AB over DE is going to equal 10 over 15. And we would want to reduce that fraction as far as possible. Now, sometimes we'll get ugly numbers, like we'll get decimal side lengths. So if we have decimal side lengths, reducing the fraction doesn't always make sense. So sometimes it's best to just put this in the calculator and get a decimal. Right? I mean, obviously this does reduce nicely, but sometimes they won't. Right? So this does reduce to 2/3, but make sure that you know that if we have ugly numbers here, it's acceptable to just put it in the calculator and see what the decimal is. Right? So if we match up some other sides, AC would match up with DF. So that would be 6 over 9, which again would reduce to 2/3, which is decimal is 0.66. Final pair of sides, CB and FE. So that would be 8 over 12, which again reduces to 2/3, and it's about 0.66. So that means these two triangles are similar by side, side, side. Okay, so we could write a statement then. Say triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by side, side, side.
Where did you prove something?
Definitely is.
I go home.
Okay, so if all three pairs of sides are proportional, the triangles are similar. The other method is side, angle, side. If we can show that two pairs of sides are proportional, and the angle between them is congruent, then we can say the triangles are similar. Okay, so in this example, we have a pair of congruent angles. We just want to test then if these two pairs of sides are proportional. So, let's see if MN over UR, so that would be 3 over 4, would be 0.75. How do I do that? So is this
That was easy, but not
I mean, I just know that 2/3 is.
a third of 100 is 33. Okay, what's my position?
Yeah, it's 1.5.
You know what?
How do you know that? I don't get it. I can't get it.
So then my other pair of sides here, NP and RS, 6 over 8 would reduce to 3 over 4, and that would be 0.75 as well. So I have two proportional sides, and the angle that's in between them is congruent. So I can say that these triangles are similar. So I can say triangle MNP is similar to triangle QRS by SAS. Yeah, for this one.
If you give me an average, like what? Alright, let's do 75.
That would be 9, and so 9.375.
That's your. I got it. Do you think of the things in your head, or do you just go with like what factors go with that?
So, said you gave me 75 over 8. I just started thinking, okay, 8 times what would get me closest to 75?
Yeah, that's all I do.
8 times 9 is 72. So there's 3 left over. So 3. Wait, you gave me 75 over 8. Yeah, so then 3 eighths is 0.375. So it's 9 and 3
That makes
eighths.
sense. Okay, I see.
You ever like just thought of a number and it was the right number? I just like someone asks a question, you're like,
So on these types of problems where we're testing to see if sides are proportional, the one major thing we have to make sure of is when we're writing our proportions, we're consistent in writing either in which triangle we write on top. It actually doesn't matter which one we start with. I could have done big over little, but I have to be consistent for all 3 of them. Right? Questions on any of this?
what is a 17?
Similar. I mean, yes, we're trying to show that triangles are similar, but now we're using side, 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 and side angles instead of AA. All right, so let's try a couple of these on the front here. Okay, determine whether the triangles are similar or not. If they are, write a similarity statement. We're not going to do all of them, so let's just try a couple of them. Okay? Number 18 is 1.
See, I really do this. It's just to like redraw it and it's really it makes me frustrated.
What doesn't look too good?
I know how to make it, like I can see it, but I literally put my hand like it's like it's just that's probably the worst part about that. Why do you think it happens?
The worst part about math is writing a capital 1.
Yes, because I can't do it. It's very you clear right out here. Out here.
don't specify the difference. You're just talking. Well, you can see
Did you get no for 2? Okay.
no, I did all the other ones. And then
Is this one from there? This one, you're stupid. Six, and
24 over 20 is 6/5. Not similar.
See, on the test, can you just sit by me and tell me the answer, and then you just see?
I'm not gonna sit by you during the test.
I cannot, on my crash.
Well, you can use a calculator to do that. You don't have to do it in your head. Yeah, math, and then 1.
What? You sure? I'm already doing idiot.
Okay, I'm okay. It's okay, you're running late.
No.
What? Made everything clear except 2. What?
I know, but this is like the lady that she ripped up when he walked out after his speech. She took his papers and
What's that?
I just look
Nobody
at
else needs to calculate.
No.
Is this
All right. Take a look up here at the answers. The only one that ends up not being similar is number 2. The rest of them should be similar. Okay, we do have to make sure we're stating the correct postulate, whether it's side, 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 or side, angle, side.
Oh my gosh, it's so funny.
I got it.
It's educational. I gotta show you.
One second.
It's from the government.
Yeah,
Wait,
She's
look,
leading us
find a
around.
typo on this page.
It's so funny. It's funny.
Any questions on any of these?
This guy,
Sweet.